Well, Debbie, it looks like you've been working hard getting your buffet all redecorated for fall.
Yep, it's looking pretty good. You see how I incorporated my scarecrow that I've had forever?
I know. I saw you moved a few things around, and I think it really looks good. I love the little scarecrow and that little cat. Oh my gosh, isn't it the cutest thing? And look at the really cute purple hat he's got on. And those green eyes pop right out, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
And
And I have my little bales of hay for some more pumpkins. I just love him. Carlos is like, dude, when did you buy that? And I was like, I've had this guy for years.
oh, I thought you were going to tell me it was off the 75-cent sale.
No, I had that. It was a yard sale, but it was many, many years ago. So it comes with another one, but that one's more Halloween-y. So I thought, oh, let me just use him for my harvest buffet.
I think it looks great.
Yeah, and then I have my Mackenzie Childs candle holders up there. I didn't want to put in candles because I didn't want to cover up my painting there that I like.
It's very cute. I like it too.
So we'll use those in another video with some candles. And then I put my Home Sweet Home up there.
I think I like it better how you have it hung now.
Yeah, I like it better than being on the wall. It looks nicer.
And it fits really well with all the flowers.
Yeah, so that's good.
So I think that now you know next year that's how you're going to set it up.
Mm-hmm. So I'm thinking we should stop the video and then replace some items with some other items and see what our followers think about the change and which one they like best.
Okay guys, be ready for some changes. Well, she made a few little changes. Can you see where they're at? Look carefully. I know most everything is still the same, but there are a few changes. You want to tell them what the changes were, Deb?
So I got this beautiful centerpiece to match with my candle holders, and eventually we'll do a video incorporating all three together. And then I have my cute little quarterly check pumpkins. So
I think they're super cute.
Eventually we're gonna do a Halloween video with just all pumpkins, not the fall theme, so you can see all the pumpkin stuff together.
Yeah, because we have some Halloween pumpkin theme things to put in, but then we have some that's just for fall harvest.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And there's a other little black and white pumpkin.
I forgot to turn my lights on, but that's okay. We'll put the lights on in the next video.
That's fine. That's one thing about it. We just keep putting in more stuff up and more displays. I thought it turned out really, really nice. Stepping into turning the lights on, so you want to turn the overhead lights off where they can see how pretty they look all lit up?
Okay.
Oh, don't they look good? Oh, I love them. And I don't know if you could see or not, but they're little pumpkins. The little lights are pumpkins all across. They do look really good in here, don't they?
Would you like me to add the candles to the...
If you want to.
Okay, let me go ahead and do that. Let me turn them on. Uh-oh.
We out of batteries?
One stopped working.
Uh-oh.
Keep talking, Mom.
Well, I thought this turned out really nice. I love the three pumpkins on top, and I thought it looked really good. Even though Carlos complained about her hot gluing these little leaves on, I thought it looked super cute myself.
I agree.
And now we have the candles all lit. And all we need to do is to set up a nice table and be so romantic, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that's pretty nice. I like it.
Yeah. And I like it since you moved your table the other direction too.
Yeah, there's a lot more room in here now.
Yeah, you couldn't really tell how big this dining room was the way the table was the other way for some
Well, I
reason.
removed 2 chairs as well, so.
Well, I really enjoyed it. I'll tell everyone bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Thank you for joining us today.
Give you lots of hugs and kisses. Debbie always gives air hugs and kisses. You know me, I give the real thing.
Air hug.
Oh, well, see you next time. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.